first special session. Today is December 4, 2025. This special session is now called to order. Singing of national anthem through visual presentation, then evocation through the believed by Honorable Lechi Gailo.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Sa ngalan sa Amahan, sa Anak, sa Diyos, sa Amen. Lord, Amahan, itong tagon. Salamat Ginoo sa imong kayo kanamo na nag-abot kamo sa pinyo nga safety ang tagsasakres namo ka pamilya. O Amahan sa among pagabuhaton karon special session. Manghinaot kami Ginoo nga ikaw maghahatag og kahinlo sa among tagsa-tagsa kasing-kasing ug bispo nga pangunahuna aron namo ma-come up ang pag-aprobar nga maayo sa among budget sa 2026. O kami Amahan, manghinaot at kining pag-aprobar namo sa budget sa 2026 nga malampuson o malambuon para sa atong pinalanggan ng lungsuranon sa limit. Amahan, mula kay mahimo kung wala ikaw. Buos sa kinintanan na among pasalamatan, pinaagi ni Kristo nga among Ginoo. Amen. Sa ngalan sa Amahan, sa Anak, sa Diyos Santo. Amen.
Edit sa basit. Roll call and determination of quorum, Mr. Secretary.
Honorable Gailo, Honorable Aurelio, Honorable Bintayaw, Honorable Deluso, Honorable Tanoy, Honorable Serigno, Honorable Artiza, Honorable Aler, Honor Saligumba is on official travel with the Liga ng mga Barangay, and so with the SK Federation President, Honorable Evangelio, Honorable Gayot, and the presiding officer, Honorable Malaki.
Okay, 3 members were not around. There was a quorum is established. Let's proceed with the next topic. Reading and consideration of the previous minutes.
Mr. Presiding Officer, the existing previous minute is the 22nd regular session and it should be deferred until the next regular session.
Okay, I think we will formalize it through a proper motion to defer. Sige, Honorable Deluso.
Mr. Chair, I move to defer the December 1 regular session minutes.
Okay, there was a motion to defer the reading of the previous minutes last December 1. Any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Canoy, Honorable Aurelio, Honorable Artisa. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is, or the deferred reading of the previous minutes is approved. Privilege are none. Okay, question hour none. Reading and referral of the proposed measures none. Committee reports none. Calendar of business, unfinished business, okay, business of the day. Yes, Honorable Aurelio.
I move for the approval of adoption of the proposed general fund and annual budget fiscal year 2026 of the municipality of Limig, carrying an amount of 288,186,566 pesos.
Okay. There was a proper motion approving the annual budget of our municipality of Lingig, carrying the amount of 288,186,566 pesos. Any seconder? Unanimously seconded. The appropriation ordinance number appropriation ordinance approving the annual budget of fiscal year 2026 amounting to 288,186,566 pesos is hereby adopted or enacted.
Final reading of
Next. Wala na ilang topic?
the final
Suspensa, then final reading.
Approval of the second reading?
The final reading na
Suspension ng sige.
Okay. Okay. What do you mean?
i-suspend na yung session. Then pag-resolve, motion na isa para final reading.
Final.
Okay, that's
Second reading.
your motion is for second reading. Not on final reading.
Basta masuspend na ang third reading.
Okay, sige. Okay. Okay, the motion for second reading is adopted. Okay, session suspended.
Sa minutes.
Okay, session resume. Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Honorable, Indugi siguro ito. Indugi sa budyo. Para formal. Ay, para makaluhog Tagaligi. Yes, Honorable Deloso.
May I request to the reporter, the chairman of the Committee on Appropriation to read the recommendation first.
Okay, read the recommendation.
Recommendation lang, last.
Recommendation na as per requested.
So, again, good morning. So the recommendation of this committee report was changed. Kaya kagahapon, we talked with the mayor and we agree on the issues and concern. So the cause of that recommendation the previous day was due to the suggestions and concern of the council. However, in today's session, the recommendation for this committee report is to, given that the foregoing premises, the Committee on Appropriation, Ways and Means recommend to this honorable body that prior to the approval of this item, a copy of this committee report be duly furnished to the Office of the Mayor for his official conservation and manifestation, particularly item number 6 and other relevant matters dictated in these reports, which is already done kagahapon. Then furthermore, the committee recommends that the Sangguniang Bayan must approve during the business of the day in today's session.
Okay. That's the content of your recommendations.
So, motion, Mr. Chair.
Yes, go ahead.
Move for the final reading. For the final reading of the approval of Post General Fund Annual Budget Fiscal Year 2026 of the Municipality of Lingig, carrying an amount of 208,186,566 pesos.
Okay. There was a motion for the enactment of an ordinance approving or adopting the annual budget of the municipality of Lingig for the fiscal year of 2026 amounting to 288,186,566 pesos. Any seconder? Unanimously seconded. The appropriation ordinance approving the annual budget of the municipality of Lingig for the fiscal year 2026 amounting to 288,186,566 pesos is hereby enacted. Congratulations at mabuhay Lingig. Yes, any topic?
Sir,
Yes, Honorable Deloso.
move for the adjournment of this session.
Yes, there was a motion for the adjournment. Seconded by Honorable Artisa and Honorable Valer. Special session is hereby adjourned.
Picture.